Hello, I'm Rafat, and today I will be teaching you how to solve linear equations using backtracking. A linear equation is an equation that when plotted on a graph will give you a straight line. We can solve linear equations by using a method called backtracking. Backtracking a linear equation can be used to find the input number such as x in this equation. 4x minus 2 equals to 18. In order to solve a linear equation using backtracking, you need to know the operations and their inverse. This is what I mean. So we all know that the operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So the inverse of addition is subtraction, and the inverse of subtraction is addition. So it's kind of like the opposite. And the inverse of multiplication is division, and the inverse of division is multiplication. Let me tell you more about these operations. Whenever we see an addition, sign, we use subtraction. And whenever we see a subtraction sign, we use a addition sign. Now we're here with example 1. 3x plus 4 equals to 25. So now here we want to find out x. And the way to do that is you write x, put a box. Now we see what's happening to the x. So it's being multiplied by the 3. So put another box, put an arrow, put multiplication sign by 3. So equals to 3x. Then we see what's happening to the 3x. So we're going to add 4. So put an arrow, plus 4. Then we write 3x plus 4. And we know that 3x plus 4 equals to 24. So we put a box under and we write 25. And put in a box under here. And then we need to find the inverse of the addition, which is subtraction. So we need to subtract 4 from 25, which equals to 21. And we need to find the inverse of multiplication, which is division. So we put another box and then we have to divide by 3. So 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. So here we have x equals to 7. And we want to know if that is correct. So we have to sub in. We have to sub in 7 wherever it says x. So 3 times 7 plus 4 has to equal to 25 now. So 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 4 equals 25. So now we know our answer is correct. So here we are with example 2. 2x minus 5 divided by 7 equals to 3. So now we want to find out x. The way we do that is we write x here. We put a box. Then we look at what's happening to the x. It's being multiplied by 2. So what we do, put an arrow, say times 2. Put a box, and write 2x. Because 2x means 2 times x. And then now we look at what's happening to the 2x. 5 is being subtracted from it. So do minus 5, which equals to 2x minus 5. And then we do 2x minus 5. What's happening to the 2x minus 5? It's being divided by 7. So what we do is we divide by 7, which equals to 2x minus 5 divided by 7. And now we know this, 2x minus 5 divided by 7 equals to 3. And then now we have to backtrack. So the inverse of division is multiplication. So we have to times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. And now we have to find the inverse of subtraction, which is addition. So we plus 5. 21 plus 5 is 26. And then we'll come back to x. We want to find out x now. So 26 times 2, and we have to find the inverse of that, so it's division. You have to divide by 2. 26 divided by 2 is 13, and x is 13. So the way we find that out, we have to sub in 13 wherever it says x. So it's 2 times 13 minus 5 divided by 7. So that has to equal to 3. Okay. So 2 times 13 is 26. And then 26 minus the 5 is 21. And 21 divided by 7 equals to 3. So now we know our answer is correct.